first thing is you get a battery monitor right here. This is also your on and off switch for your power. After that, you're gonna turn the key on. I'm gonna turn the main e-stop on now, all power to the cart. It takes about 15 to 20 seconds for everything to get up and going. Now that we have the main power turned onto the cart, I'm gonna grab the pendant. Simply on the pendant, I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna turn this key on. Green light's flashing. I need to hit the enable button over here, start button. As you see on the controller, there's an auxiliary switch, auxiliary 1 and auxiliary 2. If I'm on auxiliary 1, lines up with the front end of the cart that says A1. So all controls are based off that end of the cart. I can switch this to A2, and now all controls are to this end of the cart. So you're always driving forward is forward and reverse is reverse. The handles for the cart, for the step, are stored in your storage area. They simply come out.